Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Susana and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to edit this beautiful thank you card. But let me go ahead and mention the things you can't do on this template first. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So the artwork here are the flowers themselves. You cannot change that, and you cannot change the color of the social media icons. Everything else can be changed. You can change the color of the background, and you can go ahead and play with the font. You can change the font type, the size, and color. So to start customizing this template, you just go ahead and double click on the text box and start entering your business information. Now this section right here is grouped, so that allows you to move everything at once. If you want to ungroup it, just go ahead and click, go to the top right and select ungroup. That is going to allow you to select each individual section on its own. You also have your social media icons that come with the purchase. So if you want to choose any other social media icon, replace it with one on the template itself, you can do so. Just go ahead and delete. Let's go ahead and do one here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy, paste, and there we go. Let's go ahead and upload our logo. Get rid of the placeholder, drag our logo. My logo here has a transparent background, so it's going to blend in with any background on this template. If your logo has a background like this one, what you are going to want to do is go up here on the left and click Elements, scroll down, go to Frames, select See All, click on the circle, place it where we want, kind of center it. And now we can go ahead and drag our logo with the background. You have the Spanish template below. You have your social media icons. And change this as well to any color you want. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a fabulous day.